Now that you have a sense of what the color module is responsible for when it comes to representing theme colors and outputting those colors with the theme, let's go ahead and look at the steps that you could take in order to integrate the color module with your theme. The first step is to begin with scaffolding from another theme. In our situation, we're using a sub-theme of Bartik, so the easiest thing to do is to copy the color folder inside of the Bartik theme and move it into our sub-theme and then work from there. Once we have that structure, we can then extend the color options available by adjusting the colors in the color.inc file, and we'll look at that file in just a moment. Our next step is actually using that color inside of a style sheet that will then get pulled into the color module, churned through, where all of the default colors are replaced with our custom colors, and then output to a new CSS file inside of our files directory. If we want to improve the usability of our new input, we should then add an element to our preview that reflects this. So for our example, what we're going to do is add an input element to our preview so that you can see the background color changing in real time. Once you've added the element itself, you also need to add specific element styling to the preview style sheet. Now, while that preview, the little preview box on our theme settings page, looks an awful lot like our theme, the actual theme settings and CSS that's being used is different, actually separate from our main theme. And so we need to add any theme settings that we want to in order to style our element to match the look of our theme, and then to use the new color that we've set in our theme settings. And finally, in order to trigger that color change inside of our new element, we need to add a little bit of JavaScript inside of our preview.js file. And again, we'll look at this file in the next step.